Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple cake designs. I've got a vanilla cupcake and a chocolate cupcake. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I've got both recipes on my website. You can click on the links above or browse on my channel to find them. So I'm going to do like a bird's nest design. I think I'll use the chocolate one here. I fitted a closed down nozzle, a 2D nozzle, and to find out how to attach a nozzle to a piping bag, you can click the link on the video above. So I'm going to pipe from the edge to the middle, but I don't want it too high. So I'm going to pipe it like that. Okay. I've got some chocolate eggs that I'm going to put in the center. And one here. Nice and simple. For this one, I am going to try, I haven't tried it before, but I'm going to try it now. I'm going to make bird's nest with some cereal and melted chocolate. So I've got some melted milk chocolate and I've got some cereal here. I'm going to crush the cereal into them, but not too small. Probably some half. Need a bit more. So I've got my chocolate like that. I'm going to pipe some chocolate in there. I will pipe this milk chocolate. I will pipe this chocolate buttercream even if it's vanilla, it doesn't matter. To the middle. And I'm going to get some of this chocolate just to give like a rough effect. I don't know if it's gonna work. Doesn't look like it's working very well. Okay, and I will put an egg or two in the middle. And two will do, isn't it? Does it look nice? And I'm going to also decorate this vanilla one with chocolate buttercream. You can use chocolate buttercream even on vanilla cupcakes, it doesn't matter. This one is not really so much of a bird's nest, but I will add some sprinkles on it. I love sprinkles. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.